Google Ads for cleaning business. Okay, I'm looking for advice for launching brand new Google accounts. Okay, I just launched a brand new account for my cleaning business. I have five separate search campaigns, ad groups, each with its own dedicated landing page. That's very good. Office cleaning, commercial cleaning, janitorial cleaning, post construction cleaning, Airbnb cleaning. The account only started getting impressions and clicks yesterday. In this situation, what bidding strategy would you recommend? Maximize clicks, conversion value. If you recommend maximize clicks, would you set a maximum CPC limit, use manual CPC, or let Google bid freely? If you recommend maximize conversions, would you switch immediately on a brand new account or wait until the campaign has get some data first? Which has worked best for you when launching a completely new Google Ads account? I'm looking for advice from people with experience launching brand new accounts. Okay, so the questions are good. Feel like you have little bit knowledge of Google Ads, so that is really appreciating thing. Okay, I think that I'm going to divide the cleaning business into two parts. Okay, the part one is your landing page. Okay, make it three parts. Okay, second part is campaign. Third part is tracking and analytics. Okay, so this is the rule to run for a cleaning business. You have to divide the part in the three parts: landing page, campaign, and tracking and analytics to generate good results through Google Ads. So that's very good that you have created five sections over here: office cleaning, commercial cleaning, janitorial cleaning, post construction cleaning, Airbnb cleaning. Okay, you have done the major part, but now I will further segment it. For instance, I will further divide into, let's say these are campaigns. Okay, I will further divide into buying intent, buying keywords, awareness keyword, comparison keywords, shopping keywords. Okay, I'm going to segment further them down into 4 ad groups. Okay, it's better if you can create a separate landing page for all of the 4 ad groups, but it's fine, you can go with the one landing page for all of these 4 ad groups, and a separate one for each service. Cleaning campaign, commercial cleaning, all should be separate. So this is the campaign part I'm highlighting right now, with ad groups over here, and all ad groups should have 1 to 2 ads plus 3 to 5 keywords. Is going to be a good strategy to generate good results. So this is a strategy which I recommend. Run ad schedules for different times, proper set location targeting, keyword should be phrase or exact match. Look for search terms for new keywords to be added. Okay, now I'm going to answer these questions as well. Now I'm going to come on to the part of ads. Okay, I'm going to review an ads over here to show you. Now going to the ads part. Okay, so see around over here. Now this is a simple normal ad. I think you need to work on your headline copy. All should be relevant to your topic, and all ad group should have a separate ads, not a single. And even for each ad group, I'm recommending 1 to 2 ads minimum. Now please add assets with your ads. I'm going to write it over here so you guys can remember. Add assets with your ad. Okay, this can help you for authenticity, trust. Now see how the attractive ad has become. I think that this is also the part of any business to generate more sales, that your ad should be really authentic. Now when you show ad headlines, product description, details, location, advertiser rating, this increases the trust of the user. So I think that this part also helps. Otherwise your strategy is good that you have divided into different campaigns. Okay, and since you asked what bidding strategy I would recommend, because it's a new campaign, I will recommend maximize clicks. No questions asked, maximize clicks is good. Maximize conversion once you start generating good conversions. I will not recommend maximize conversion value later on, because it's not, I recommend maximize conversion value only for the e-commerce businesses. Otherwise I do not recommend mostly. Now your second question is, if you recommend maximize clicks, would you set a maximum CPC limit, use manual CPC, or let Google bid freely? Okay, to be really honest, I'm going to allow Google to bid freely for I'm not 1 but 3 to 5 days. I know it's going to cost you, but let Google settle, let your quality score be assigned, let everything be settled. Then you can set a maximum CPC limit, or it's a cleaning business. But if you are tight on budget, you can put a CPC limit. There is no harm. You can put a $3 4 CPC bid limit and let your quality score improve, and then your cost will become lower with increasing of your relevancy, quality score, CTR. So this can help you. So this is how you can launch over here. Now another part over here which I have not yet discussed is the landing page part. Guys, you are paying a visitor to land on your website. So I think that this is another important element on improving sales. So the landing page part, I'm going to show you a few of the landing pages to discuss around over here. Now this is one landing page I see over here with the pop-up. I'm going to close it over here. This landing page for a cleaning business is just so not attractive to me. This landing page, okay, see around over here, big headline, request free estimate, not my type. Okay, it's okay. Get a free quote, call now. Okay, this testimonials attract me, grabs my attention, so it's good. But I just search for more. I was just searching for more and looking for businesses which has more. So guys can give you an idea. No, this is also an average one. This seems slightly better, but I think a person's face can generate authenticity. So lakhs over here. Okay, they are giving you home inspections, but no, I do not like it. This average landing page seems better because it has a call number over here. You have the call option over here. You have the form over here. I like the form, but this is for home care, not for this to be specific. No. Somewhat, but not really. Okay, this seems a better choice, but again I think that a face wins the trust over here. Why it's a better choice? Because there is a form over here without scrolling down, which I like. You have the location over here, you can see the reviews over here, you see everything over here. So yeah, this landing page is good. Pictures, industry served, blogs over here. So yeah, this is another important part, but this can be made better, but this is acceptable. And so you can see the landing page also plays a crucial role. Now the third part is tracking and analytics. In order to make sure that everything is working fine, you need to enable conversion tracking, you need to enable fraud click detection, and you need to observe the user behavior on their website. For that, you can use different tools including Clarity, Stat Counter, and other traffic tools including Google Tag Manager, GTM, to manage all of your campaigns. So yeah, I just wanted to highlight these three aspects, that this is how you can run Google Ads for your cleaning business and definitely can run it. I tried to discuss in detail regarding how you can set up your Google Ads for cleaning business. I hope you liked the video, but if you need a professional help with Google Ads audit, setup or management, or if you need a company which can help you with all of this stuff including digital marketing and all of your needs, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Our company name is Aarswebs.com, and we are a Google partner company, and my name is Ali Rizan and I can help you with this. So if you want to hire me and my team, you can follow the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care, bye bye.